Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Dunia and Rangeli. Guys, from today I'm starting the Adobe Illustrator beginner series. You can see over here I have the Adobe interface. You can see if I click on this file new, I'm going to make a new document. You can see here I have the recent option A4, letter and web large. Here in the saved you can save your images or templates, whatever you want. You have the option here for your mobile. You have the option for your web design, for your print. You can see for the print, for work, film and video, for art and illustrations, and there are also more templates. Guys, you can see here in the print I'm taking a A4 size. You can adjust your width from here. You can adjust the height. For example, I have this option. You can adjust it, and I will want to have one artboard. So I'm going for the create. I will tell these options later. Okay, great. Guys, now if I again go into the file, you can see if I click on this artboard, I just want to show you these artboards. If I write here 3 or 4, I'm writing here 4 artboards. I will have the 4 pages. You can see guys, like this I have these 4 pages, but for today we will work on this one simple page. You can see over here you must have designed with the help of Photoshop. You have the same interface like the Photoshop. You can see you have the toolbar right here. You have this toolbar over here. If I cross this, you have many of the toolbars. If I open this, you have here the properties of this. You have the layer panel, and in the window you have here many of the options for the toolbars. For example, if I click on the gradient, you will have the gradient over here. Guys, for today we will work with the selection tool. You can see here I have this selection tool, but first of all we have to make a shape. You can see here I have this rectangle, ellipse, polygonal tool, star tool and line segment tool. First of all, let's start with the rectangle tool. I'm making a rectangle here. It is same simple as Photoshop, as MS Office you have worked. Just click on the mouse and drag. It will make like this. But guys, if you press shift button and then you click, it will make a square. If you click over here and press delete button, if you select this with the help of selection tool and press delete button, it will delete. Again I'm going over here, and if I click here one time, guys, here you will have this box and you can adjust the size of your rectangle. I want to have here 271 by 271 because I want to have here a square. You can see here I have this square, and if I have this selection tool I can resize it very easily just by pressing shift button where I want. Guys, you can see here if I select this zoom option, I have this here. If I click on this, you can see it is zoom in. But if I press alt button, you can see the minus option in this. You can see the minus option in this, and if I press here, I can shorten its size. Guys, you can also zoom in with the help of Ctrl+, and you can also zoom out with the help of Ctrl-. It is super easy. You can either work with the help of mouse and scroll option. It can also help you in zooming out and zooming in. Guys, now first of all I want to show you spacebar option. If I press spacebar, I can move this artboard wherever I want in my desktop. You can see I can move this wherever I want. If I press click here and press alt button and shift button, I will be able to make a copy of this. You can also either make the copy with the help of Ctrl C and Ctrl V, but I will recommend you making the copy with the help of alt. Now I will show you the Ctrl D properties. If I press Ctrl D, you can see this is making multiple copies of this. Now if I press Ctrl A, Ctrl A is the shortcut key to select all. A for all. I'm just clicking on this and I'm making a copy. You can press shift button so that it will have the straight. I'm pressing Ctrl D like this. So guys, you can see it has made a very different pattern. Now I'm pressing Ctrl A and I'm deleting this. Now let's go with another shape. I'm going here with a polygonal shape. Let's make the polygon right here. Guys, you can also rotate it as you want. And you can resize it very easily. But make sure to press the shift button so that it will have the good proportions. Now if I press alt and I drag this, make sure to press the shift button like this. And I'm pressing Ctrl D to make the multiple copies. Guys, now let's press Ctrl A and again make a copy by pressing alt. Now I will place this copy over here. Again press Ctrl A and select this all and make a copy one more. Make sure to press the shift button to line it properly. Now I'm pressing Ctrl D to just make the copies like this. Now I'm pressing Ctrl A and now I will just resize it. Over here I have this very unique web. This is very unique web. Now from here, by selecting this, from here you can see these two boxes. This is the fill box and this is the stroke box. If you double click on this fill box, you can have this dialog box. You can change your any of the colors from here very easily. If I go for this color, for this darker color and hit OK, it will fill in this. But if I double click on this, if I want to change its color and I go with this, guys, now you can see this. If I want to give it a stroke, if I double click on this and I change any of the color I want and click over here, you can see it will give the stroke and the fill colors. Now you can see if I click on any of the shape, it will select the shape. But if I want to select another shape and this shape too, let's see this. If I click over here, it will not select this shape and this shape. But if I press shift button, it will select this. If I press shift, I can select multiple shapes by pressing. First you have to press the shift button, then you have to click. Okay. Now guys, I want to fill here red color, so I'm double clicking on this fill option and I'm going for the red color over here. You can see, I hope this is looking very cute. So this is all for today. This was the beginner sales class for the Adobe Illustrator. Hope you had liked it and enjoyed it. So tomorrow I will come back with another video about the direct selection tool. I hope you will be with me in this Adobe Illustrator journey. Guys, this is artist Rabia signing off. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.